In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Microsoft Copilot for correcting grammar and spelling, ensuring your communications are clear and professional. Whether you're drafting emails, reports, or any other form of written communication, these tools can help elevate your writing to the next level. Let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or even Edge, whatever you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the website address copilot.microsoft.com. This is where the magic happens. The Microsoft Copilot platform is your gateway to a more polished and professional writing experience. Next, make sure you sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. This step is crucial because Copilot is an exclusive feature available only to Microsoft 365 subscribers. Signing in will provide you with access to the suite of tools designed to enhance your writing. If you don't already have an account, you might want to consider signing up to take full advantage of these features. Now, once you're on the main Copilot page, direct your attention to the center of the page where you'll find the Message Copilot box. This is the interactive component where you'll input the text that needs editing. It's straightforward and easy to find, ensuring that you can quickly get started with your tasks. In this example, let's type a prompt and press Enter. We'll use a sample paragraph. There is many challenges in our project, and we need to finish fastly so client will be happy. Go ahead and input this text, and Copilot will instantly begin processing it. It's designed to correct not only grammar and spelling, but also to ensure your message is coherent and professional. Once Copilot provides you with the corrected version, take a moment to review it. This step is essential. The tool will suggest improvements aimed at refining your message. You might notice changes that enhance clarity, fix existing errors, and provide a more polished tone. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips. If you feel the need to make further refinements, don't worry. You can continue interacting with Copilot by typing commands. For instance, if you want the text to be even more straightforward, you can simply type, "Make it simpler." The platform will adjust accordingly, providing an even more concise version. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, copy the corrected text. You can then paste it into your document of choice, whether that's Word, Outlook, or even a conversation in Teams. This step ensures that all your future communications maintain a high standard of professionalism and clarity. And that's it. With these steps, you can consistently produce clear, professional communication effortlessly. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on improving your digital workspace.